So for my fifth piece of technology, I'm going to talk about something that seems almost too simple, but I went to a conference a couple weeks ago and they used something like this, and what they said really makes sense. I oftentimes in my classroom would tell students, "Oh, you have 5 minutes to do something," and 5 minutes sounds like a long time to students and even adults in a classroom. And things don't start to get worked on until you have a minute left, or you say 60 seconds or 90 seconds, and then it's like, oh shoot, I actually have to start working. Something like putting a stopwatch up on the projector or somewhere visible is a nice learning tool for students to actually gauge how much 5 minutes is. You can see this website has tons and tons of different types of stopwatches, so you can do stopwatch or countdown. So we'll just click on stopwatch, and this is just the very basic one. You can just plug in a timer. This is the stopwatch, so it's counting up, but you can go back, you can have it count down, let's say 5 minutes, and you can set it and start it, and then that way students have an accurate representation of how much time they actually have left. Again, I often found myself in my classroom just saying 5 minutes, and sometimes 8, 9 minutes would go by, and then students would finally start to work. So this is just a way to keep the students and myself accountable. Again, if you scroll down on this, there are tons of different clocks, games, groups, holiday timers. So if it's, I don't know, Valentine's Day, you could do a Valentine's Day counter. Whatever you want to do. There's a ton of different stuff in here. Exam timers, this one would be kind of interesting since it's just so basic. You can put this up on the corner of a presentation or something. That way students know exactly when the test is or how long. But I honestly could see myself just using some of the more basic timers. But again, there's tons of different stuff on this website. But keeping students accountable and myself, I think, is something very important. Thank you.